In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Dext to Xero. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here at the bottom where it says Business Settings. Now, you want to click on that, and then from here, you want to go to Connections, which is the second tab inside your Business Settings. From here, as you can see, it says Connections, Accounting Software, and here you can see the Xero logo. So you want to click on the Connect button over here, and where it says Xero, which should be the first option, you want to click on Connect. Now, if it's not showing over here, you can scroll down or search for it, and you should be able to find Xero. So just click on it, the Connect button, and then from here it's going to basically tell you how to connect. You can just click on Connect Software over here, wait for a few seconds for Xero to open, and now you'll be prompted to basically log into Xero. So I'm going to click on Login over here. Now, if you're not pre-filled, of course, you'll have to select your account, type in your credentials, etc. And then over here you can set up a multi-factor authentication if you want to. This will take just a few seconds. I'm just going to skip this right now, not to waste your time, but of course it is very recommended you actually do this. Now, whenever you're here, you'll have to select your organization. I'm going to go with my demo company over here and click on Allow Access. Whenever you do this, you'll see that you'll be directed back to Dext, and now there we go. As you can see, you have to choose your organization from Xero to connect to. So I'm going to click on Connect or Next over here, and then there we go. As you can see, it says connected. If I click on the Finish button, now if I go to Connections over here, you can see Xero is one of my connections over here. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.